Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will see how to modify the text formatting. Text styles format different categories of text like row and column headings, text around taskbars, or text for critical tasks. You can change the text formatting to make the tables more readable or to emphasize specific tasks. You can also change the format for a single text string to make it stand out. So to format the text styles, go to the Format tab. On the left hand side, choose the Text Styles. Initially, the Text Styles dialog box is set to change all the text. For example, if you want to leave your reading glasses at home, you can just change the font size to 12 and all the text will change to a larger size. But in this case, we are going to select the category, for example, milestone tasks, and you see all the usual suspects, the font style like italic or bold and size. So let's say we are going to change the milestone to italic and we will leave the size the way it is. The color box lets you change the color for the text. So click the down arrow and choose the color. Keep in mind, in dark colors are easier to see. So I'll select here the dark green color. You can also look in the sample to see what it looks like. Now background color is actually the shading of the cell behind the text. So here I'll select, say, peach color. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the background color to a light. Now this is a light orange color that we have used. Now when I click on OK, you see that the text changes. The milestone are green in italic here, since this is a milestone here, and the cells for the values for the critical tasks have this orange highlighting behind them. So they really stand out in the table. So here we have one more. If you think you are going to print on a black and white printer, you can always choose a background pattern behind your text. But in general, it's better to keep it a solid. I am going to close the dialog box now. You can also format the individual text, and that's really easy to do. Say I want to format have pets licensed. So I'll right click here and here is the toolbar that appears. I'll change the font style, say Britannic bold. I'll make it bold, make it italic. I'll change the background color here so that it may be highlighted, and the text I will make it to appear will be dark red. In this case, maybe we have used some of these changes, then the changes will be applied automatically. So if you don't like what you see, you can just keep changing these settings until you get what you want. Formatting text styles or individual text can highlight the information that you need to stand out. Formatting different categories can emphasize specific tasks, and formatting individual text emphasizes important information that doesn't fall into a category, like a task that the customer really cares about. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.